Nice little stretch for sciatica pain. You can sit on a chair or edge of a table. I'm on an edge of a table with a cushion underneath, and you've got your legs bent, feet flat on the floor. Then you lift up one foot and take it to just at the bottom of the thigh. Draw the toe back to protect the knee. That might be enough for you. You might feel a gentle pulling in the right hips. This is my left, but the one which you've got the leg bent, but around this kind of area, the glute area. If you're not feeling that already, begin to take the weight forward. So you begin to hinge from the hips, leading with an open chest so the back's nice and straight. And now you should begin to feel a stretch in the outer hip area. This is a really good stretch for sciatica. And hold it for 3 to 5 breaths and then release. Now come on the other side. Draw the leg in, draw the toes back to protect the knee. That might be enough. If not, begin to hinge forward. See how that feels. Let me know how you get on with that. Hold it for 3 to 5 breaths. And you can do that a couple of times a day. Signing out, this is Sandia. Have a great day.